Who is known as the father of genetics? A. Charles Darwin. B. Gregor Mendel. C. James Watson. D. Francis Crick. Answer. B. Gregor Mendel. Gregor Mendel conducted experiments on pea plants and formulated the laws of inheritance, making him the father of genetics. What is the basic unit of heredity? A. Chromosome. B. Gene. C. DNA. D. RNA. Answer. B. Gene. Genes are segments of DNA that carry hereditary information and determine traits in living organisms. How many chromosomes are present in a human somatic cell? A. 23. B. 46. C. 22. D. 92. Answer. B. 46. Human somatic cells contain 46 chromosomes, 23 pairs, while gametes have 23 chromosomes. Which of the following carries genetic information? A. Lipids. B. Proteins. C. DNA. D. Carbohydrates. Answer. C. DNA. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, carries genetic instructions for growth, development, and reproduction. What is the full form of DNA? A. Deoxyribonucleic acid. B. Dioxide nucleic acid. C. Dextrose nucleic acid. D. Deoxynatural acid. Answer. A. Deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA is a molecule that stores genetic information and is present in almost all living organisms. Which base is not found in RNA? A. Adenine. B. Thymine. C. Cytosine. D. Guanine. Answer. B. Thymine. RNA contains uracil instead of thymine, which is present in DNA. What is the shape of the DNA molecule? A. Single helix. B. Double helix. C. Circular. D. Linear. Answer. B. Double helix. DNA has a double helix structure, as discovered by Watson and Crick. Mendel's first law is also called the law of A. Independent assortment. B. Segregation. C. Dominance. D. Variation. Answer. C. Dominance. Mendel's first law states that one allele is dominant over the other in a heterozygous pair. What is a mutation? A. A change in DNA sequence. B. Formation of a new cell. C. Cell death. D. Protein synthesis. Answer. A. A change in DNA sequence. Mutations are changes in the DNA sequence that may lead to genetic disorders or variations. What is the function of mRNA? A. Carries amino acids. B. Carries genetic code from DNA. C. Helps in energy production. D. None of the above. Answer. B. Carries genetic code from DNA. mRNA, messenger RNA, carries the genetic code from DNA to ribosomes for protein synthesis. Which of the following is a sex-linked disorder? A. Hemophilia. B. Malaria. C. Tuberculosis. D. Diabetes. Answer. A. Hemophilia. Hemophilia is an X-linked recessive disorder where blood clotting is impaired. What is the function of ribosomes in genetics? A. DNA replication. B. Protein synthesis. C. Genetic mutation. D. Cell division. Answer. B. Protein synthesis. Ribosomes read mRNA sequences and assemble amino acids to form proteins. The process of copying DNA is called A. Transcription. B. Translation. C. DNA replication. D. Mutation. Answer. C. DNA replication. DNA replication occurs in the nucleus before cell division to ensure genetic continuity. Which enzyme is responsible for DNA replication? A. DNA polymerase. B. RNA polymerase. C. Ligase. D. Helicase. Answer. A. DNA polymerase. DNA polymerase helps in synthesizing new DNA strands by adding nucleotides. What is the primary function of tRNA? A. Carry amino acids to ribosomes. B. Transfer genetic material. C. Synthesize lipids. D. Convert DNA to RNA. Answer. A. Carry amino acids to ribosomes. tRNA, transfer RNA, delivers amino acids to ribosomes for protein synthesis. Which genetic disorder causes excessive mucus production? A. Cystic fibrosis. B. Down syndrome. C. Albinism. D. Huntington's disease. Answer. A. Cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis is caused by a defective gene affecting mucus-producing glands. What is a genotype? A. Physical appearance. B. Genetic makeup. C. Protein structure. D. Cellular structure. Answer. B. Genetic makeup. A genotype is the genetic code of an organism, determining inherited traits. How many nitrogenous bases are there in DNA? A. 2. B. 4. C. 6. D. 8. Answer. B. 4. DNA contains 4 bases: adenine A, thymine T, cytosine C, and guanine G. What is a dominant allele? A. An allele that is always expressed. B. A non-functional gene. C. A weak gene. D. A gene mutation. Answer. A. An allele that is always expressed. A dominant allele expresses its trait even when only one copy is present. What is Down syndrome caused by? A. Mutation in hemoglobin. B. Trisomy of chromosome 21. C. Lack of oxygen at birth. D. Vitamin deficiency. Answer. B. Trisomy of chromosome 21. Down syndrome occurs due to an extra copy of chromosome 21. Which of the following disorders is inherited in a recessive manner? A. Cystic fibrosis. B. Huntington's disease. C. Marfan syndrome. D. Turner syndrome. Answer. A. Cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis is an autosomal recessive disorder, requiring 2 copies of the mutated gene. The process of making RNA from DNA is called A. Replication. B. Translation. C. Transcription. D. Mutation. Answer. C. Transcription. Transcription is the process where mRNA is synthesized from DNA. What is the full form of RNA? A. Ribosomal nucleic acid. B. Ribonucleic acid. C. Reverse nucleic acid. D. Rapid nucleic acid. Answer. B. Ribonucleic acid. RNA is essential for protein synthesis and gene expression. In which phase of the cell cycle does DNA replication occur? A. G1 phase. B. S phase. C. G2 phase. D. M phase. Answer. B. S phase. DNA replication takes place in the S synthesis phase of the cell cycle before cell division. Which scientist discovered the structure of DNA? A. Gregor Mendel. B. Charles Darwin. C. Watson and Crick. D. Alfred Hershey. Answer. C. Watson and Crick. James Watson and Francis Crick discovered the double helix structure of DNA in 1953. What is the difference between DNA and RNA? A. DNA has uracil, RNA has thymine. B. DNA is single-stranded, RNA is double-stranded. C. DNA is double-stranded, RNA is single-stranded. D. DNA has ribose sugar, RNA has deoxyribose sugar. Answer. C. DNA is double-stranded, RNA is single-stranded. DNA has a double-stranded helix, while RNA is typically single-stranded and contains uracil instead of thymine. What is the function of restriction enzymes in DNA? A. Join DNA strands. B. Cut DNA at specific sites. C. Replicate DNA. D. Convert DNA to RNA. Answer. B. Cut DNA at specific sites. Restriction enzymes are used in genetic engineering to cut DNA at specific sequences. What type of bond holds the 2 strands of DNA together? A. Covalent bonds. B. Ionic bonds. C. Hydrogen bonds. D. Peptide bonds. Answer. C. Hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds form between complementary base pairs, AT and GC, to hold the DNA strands together. Which of the following is an example of a codominant trait? A. Blood type AB. B. Blue eyes. C. Sickle cell anemia. D. Albinism. Answer. A. Blood type AB. In codominance, both alleles are equally expressed, as seen in the AB blood group. Which nitrogenous base is found in RNA but not in DNA? A. Adenine. B. Cytosine. C. Uracil. D. Thymine. Answer. C. Uracil. RNA contains uracil, U, instead of thymine, T, which is present in DNA.